Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today I've got an unboxing. I got another order that came in today from Amazon, and I'm going to open that up and show you guys what's in the package today. Before I get started, I just wanted to again shout out to my current subscribers. Thank you guys so much for helping this channel grow. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for helping with this channel, as far as your likes, your subscribes, your comments, your interaction with the channel. Everything always helps out, and I do appreciate all the time you guys take watching these videos and taking your time to comment and thumbs up and subscribing. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, please consider giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always helps out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review here and post affiliate links to those watches so you guys can pick those up and wear them for yourselves. If you'd like to become a member of the channel and help show your support, please click on the join button below, and that will show you our membership options that we have available. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider clicking right here and subscribing and giving that thumbs up for this video so that I can keep bringing these videos to you. So without further ado, let's get into this and open up this box and see what we do have here from Amazon today. Okay, it looks like, well, this one looks a little bit rough, but we do have a Casio G-Shock. Box looks like it's in rough shape. What else do we have here? We've got an Invicta watch, and we've also got another Invicta. So we have two Invictas and a G-Shock today for you guys. Let's see here. Which one should I open up first? I think I want to go with one of these Invictas. I'm not really sure. I can't remember which ones I ordered, but let's take a look at this one here. So let's move these off to the side and open this up and see what we have here. All right, it looks like with classic Invicta styling, it's a very large watch and it's very heavy, which is typically their watches are always very heavy and very big and bulky for the most part. So let's get some of this off here. All right. So it's this is the Invicta Pro Diver 18160. Guys, I'm gonna have to say I'm pretty impressed with this watch. It looks very, very nice. It's got the screw down. It's an automatic movement. Yeah, this is an automatic movement. This is the Seiko NH35A. So yeah, it is a winding automatic watch. It's a very nice watch. Winds very nicely. The bezel on this thing is extremely tight. This is a great watch. Good quality watch for the price. This is a very nice watch. It's very similar to this Orient watch. This Orient watch, it's a very nice watch as well, but almost twice the price for the Orient as there is for the Invicta watch. I'll post a link to both of these in the description below, so you guys, you know, if you tend to like the Orient a little bit better, or if you like the Invicta. I think the Invicta has a much sharper looking dial. I like that sheen that's on that. It really looks nice. They're very similar watches in a lot of ways, but this is about the Invicta watch here, and I'll have to say, pretty impressed. Pretty solid watch. It's got the exhibition case back on this thing. Very, very nice. That's one thing that the Orient does not have, is the exhibition case back. But yeah, definitely a great watch here by Invicta. This is the Invicta, like I said, the Invicta Pro Diver 18160, and it does have the NH35A automatic movement with the date format over at the 3 o'clock position. It does have a mineral crystal, but it boasts 300 meters of water resistance with the screw down crown, the fold over safety clasp, and the exhibition case back. Makes this watch a really nice buy. It does have the milled clasp with the safety clasp, fold over clasp on it. Very tight bracelet on this thing. It's very, very nice. Now I haven't unwrapped it completely, but very nice, very, very nice watch for the price. You're talking about right now on Amazon, you can get this thing for around $100 if you click on that affiliate link below. I will post it in the description so you can head on over and pick that up. Just in comparison, the Orient Kano is at roughly $200, and this Invicta Pro Diver is coming in at roughly $100. So you can get this watch for actually half of the price, and it is a really, really nice quality watch. Great build on this watch. Nice quality, nice look to it. Really nice looking dial. I really like that sheen on the dial there. Very, very nice. So I don't really have a lot of bad things to say about this. Invicta is usually a big watch. It's a heavy watch, but great quality on these things. I do have a couple of Invicta watches, and I love them. Very, very nice watches, especially for the price. So we've got the Invicta Pro Diver there, and let's get into the next watch here. Let's see. The next watch we're going to have is going to be the G-Shock. I'm going to open up the G-Shock next. This watch looks like the package is a little bit rough, but oh, okay, well, it does have an internal package as well. Metal case. It's got the warranty card, the instructions. Now, this is a hybrid watch between an analog and a digital. Let's see here. Let's see, very nice quality. You know, they're light. They're not a heavy watch. That's a pretty unique band with the double loops and the double holders on the band. You know, it's a nice watch. I just feel like it should have a little bit more, I don't know, a little bit more weight to it. It feels very, very light. It seems like in the pictures, when you look at it, it seems like it'd be a lot better quality rubber or silicone than it is. This watch is the Casio G-Shock GA110RG. It is with the module 51/46. It does have a 1/1000th of a second stopwatch on this thing. It is an analog and a digital watch combined. Quite honestly, I'm not 100% impressed with this watch. I do like G-Shock, I do like Casio as a whole, but I'm just not really liking this watch, especially for the price. This is about $90 for this watch. It does look nice, but I would expect it to have a little bit more weight to it and feel a little bit more substantial. It does feel kind of weak and cheap. It doesn't feel like a $100 watch should feel. But once again, it does have the 200 meters of water resistance. It has a world time capability of 29 time zones in 48 cities. It has 4 alarms. It's shock resistant. It's magnetic resistant. It's got a full calendar, and it also has an LED function with afterglow. So Casio G-Shock, it does have quite a few options on it. I am just not a huge fan of it. So if you do like this watch, I will post a link to it in the description below for you guys to check it out yourself. If you do buy it on Amazon, they usually have a very nice return policy if you decide you don't like it. I'm just not a big fan of it. So for me, I'm going to have to pass on this one. But like I said before, we all like what we like. So if you guys do like this watch, I will have that link available for you in the description below, so you can head on over and pick this up for yourself. So that said, let's get into the final watch from this review, which is also an Invicta. And I believe this is also an Invicta Pro Diver as well, but a different style. Yes, this is the other Invicta Pro Diver, but it is smaller, and it is a gold watch with the champagne dial on it. This is also an automatic. This is the Gold Pro Diver 29185, and this watch, actually, on first impressions, is actually a very stunning watch, very similar to a higher end luxury brand, which makes a yachtsman type of a watch. And honestly, very, very nice, stunning look. But I'm noticing right off the bat, I'm not really a big fan of this bracelet. It's very sloppy, especially when compared to this other bracelet, nice and tight. The price difference between these two Pro Divers is actually not very much. This one's $100, and this one right here is roughly $90. So honestly, I believe you get way more for your money when it comes to this one. This is a very stunning looking watch, don't get me wrong, but I am not a big fan of this bracelet. It is a very sloppy bracelet on this thing. But other than that, I mean, if you get another gold bracelet, you can, you know, swap it out for a better bracelet, and I'm sure it will really up the look of this watch and the feel of this watch. But this is a very, very cheap bracelet. I'm not a big fan of it at all. Aside from that, very nice watch. It's got the same movement. It's the NH35A movement, automatic, with the date format at the 3 o'clock position. It's got a nice lume on that date window, or I'm sorry, a nice magnification on that date window, and it does have that sweeping second hand. It is a screw down crown. It does have the logo on the winding crown itself. So let's go, see if we can get that zoomed in there. It's got the logo on the winding crown itself. It's a very nice feel to the winding. It is kind of a loose feeling, but it is nonetheless a satisfying wind on that. The bezel is very, very tight. No back play on the bezel. Well, maybe a little bit, not a whole lot, but just a tiny bit of back play on that bezel. Otherwise, it's very, very tight and nice. No real wobbling on that. It does have the signature on the side of the case. And it also has the exhibition case back as well. So this watch boasts 300 meters of water resistance. It does have the fold over safety crown, safety clasp with the screw down crown. It is a mineral crystal, but it does have that Japanese NH35A seiko automatic movement. Very, very nicely constructed watch, aside from this watch band, which I am not a big fan of that. That's very, very sloppy to me. I think if you're spending $100 for a watch, $90, $100, and the watch bracelet is miles ahead of this one. So either way, we got two very nice Invicta watches. One's very nice with a poor bracelet, but still, nonetheless, very nice watches. But I think the winner of this haul is definitely going to be this Invicta Pro Diver 18160, which is a beautiful, beautiful watch. And like I said, I will also post a link to this Orient watch in the description below, so you guys can actually check it out as well, since I brought it up in comparison to this Invicta watch. So once again, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel. And if you would like to help support the channel, check out that become a member, that join button down there. And if you have not already subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and give me that thumbs up, and post any of your comments below, good, bad, ugly, whatever. I will try to respond to all comments that I receive. And I also have plenty of watches coming in, so definitely stay tuned to the channel. Once again, Dave the Watchman, reviewing budget-friendly watches for the everyman. And if you like that concept, thumbs up. I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Thank you guys so much for everything, and have a great week.